Connecting Instafeed on Shopify is a straightforward process that allows you to showcase your Instagram feed on your online store. To get started, you will need to have an Instagram account and a Shopify store. First, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Instafeed. Then click on the Instafeed app and click the Add App button. You will be directed to a page where you need to click the Install App button. Next, you will be redirected to a page where you need to connect your Instagram account to the Instafeed app. Click on the Connect to Instagram button and enter your Instagram login credentials. After logging in, you will be asked to authorize the Instafeed app to access your Instagram account. Click on the Authorize button. Once you have connected your Instagram account, you will be taken back to the Instafeed app page on Shopify. Here, you can customize the appearance of your Instagram feed by selecting the layout, number of posts, and other options. After customizing the settings, click on the Save Changes button. Now, go to the Shopify theme editor and click on the Add Section button. Search for Instafeed and click on the Instafeed section. Then click on the Add button. The Instafeed section will be added to your theme, and you can adjust its position by dragging and dropping it. Finally, click on the Save button to save the changes to your theme. Your Instagram feed is now connected to your Shopify store, and customers can view your latest Instagram posts on your website. This can help increase engagement, drive sales, and build your brand. By following these steps, you can easily connect Instafeed on Shopify and start showcasing your Instagram feed on your online store.